Pridex Medicare Pvt Ltd is India's leading company in providing modular operation theatre, OT lights and surgical equipments. Brings you the new concept of the wall-mounted laminar airflow. The concept that is ideal for existing running hospitals. OT room and ICU contain a lot of harmful bacteria and viruses which come through the patient's body. In split AC or in centralized AC, the same air is returned back without proper sterilization and filtration. Traditional LAF with plenum and separate air handling unit can address this issue but needs more OT height and separate space for air handling unit with long ducting. This solution is also very expensive. Pridex has addressed these issues and developed dedicated wall-mounted LAF that can provide you HEPA-filtered air, UV sterile air, and with the air changes that are required as per the NABH guideline. With Pridex wall-mounted LAF, you minimize the airborne bacteria and viruses in operation theatre and give you the fresh air feeling. Pridex wall-mounted LAF has 5 separate chambers. It contains suction channel, pre-filter cooling and blower area, UV chamber and 2 HEPA delivery channels. The air gets sucked through the suction channel located at the nearest point of the patient head and get mixed with fresh air in preset percentage. This air is then pre-filtered at 10 micron. Pre-filtered air then passes through the cooling coil to reach the set temperature. Air then is forced into the UV chamber where multiple UV tubes provide calculated UV dose to the air to kill 99.9% bacteria and viruses. The sterile air then passes into the delivery channel where HEPA filter of H14 grade is located for the final filtration of air. The HEPA filters the air at 0.3 microns, which compiles with NABH class 100 standards. Diffuser blades are provided at the exit of HEPA, where you can adjust the air delivery angle. You can now convert your existing theatre and equip this in ICU in minimum space and minimum cost to NABH compliant OT and ICU and also minimize airborne or cross infections. Pridex Medicare has all India presence with offices in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore and headquartered in Pune, Maharashtra. Call Pridex staff today on 73500 Pridex Medicare Pvt Ltd. Embrace the future of OT technologies.